Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to open Ford Transit bonnet. First, park the van on level ground, apply the handbrake, and switch off the ignition to be safe. Next, let the engine cool for a few minutes so you avoid hot surfaces. Locate the interior bonnet release lever by the driver's side kick panel, then pull it firmly until the bonnet pops open slightly and you can access the external catch. In this video, I will show how to open Ford Transit bonnet. With the bonnet slightly popped from the interior release, reach under the front edge and feel for the external safety catch near the grille. Push or lift that catch while you raise the bonnet with your other hand until it stays up. Make sure to engage the bonnet prop or confirm the gas struts are holding the bonnet securely before placing any tools or hands under it. In this video, I will show how to open Ford Transit bonnet. Quick recommendation: if you like a compact companion while you work, the new Kindle Paperwhite lets you read anywhere with easy lighting and long battery life. It pairs well with garage breaks or instruction pauses during maintenance. If you want the link and other deals, check the description below. If this video helps, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to open Ford Transit bonnet. To close, lower the bonnet slowly to about 6 inches above the latch, then let it drop to engage. Press down firmly to ensure the latch catches and give a light tug to confirm it is secure. Always inspect rubber seals and struts while open, and replace any worn parts to prevent leaks or failure the next time you need access.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.